The new Nissan Z Coupe is now on sale in Australia, and we're at the media launch for the first drive. Does the new Z car live up to the legend? Let's go and find out. This is the 7th generation Nissan Z car. The first, the 240Z, launched back in 1969. Here we're driving the Z Coupe, the only full-time member of the Aussie range. It's priced from $73,300, undercutting its prime competitor, the Toyota GR Supra, by about $10,000. The new Z Coupe bins natural aspiration for this 3-litre twin-turbo V6, making it the fastest and most powerful Z car yet. Appropriately, being a focused sports car with rear-wheel drive, you can still opt for a 6-speed manual gearbox as well as a 9-speed auto. There's no doubting the retro influences over the exterior styling of the new Z Coupe, definite feeling of 240Z there. The tail lights come forward a bit in time. They're meant to remind us of the 300ZX from 1989, and this silver accent that comes up the side here, that's supposed to remind us of a Japanese samurai sword. There's no doubt you're in a sports car when you nestle into the tight confines of the Z Coupe's cockpit. And don't worry about being asked to take the neighbour's kids to school. There's no back seats and not much storage space. What's pretty obvious in the cabin is there's been some cost cutting to keep the price under control. There's a lot of hard surfaces, the aircon is a basic system, there's no embedded sat-nav and no fancy lane keeping driving assist systems. There's a bit of old and new about the dashboard area of the new Z Coupe. The touchscreen for the infotainment is a bit yesteryear, but the new instrument panel is very much up to date. Get into sport mode and the tacho takes prominence, just as it should. The boot swallows 241 litres of luggage, but we're more interested in the strut brace, which is mounted back here. That's really meant to improve the driving experience. Speaking of which, let's go do it. Once you start driving the new Z Coupe, you realise that under that new retro skin, there's a lot that's familiar. And that's because a lot of mechanicals, including the fundamental platform, are carryover. It's still macho and muscly to steer. Definitely not polite and delicate. The engine is undoubtedly the highlight of the package. It uncoils rapidly rather than explodes, but has tremendous capability and depth. Its ability to pull smoothly and strongly from low revs in high gears is stunning. The Z Coupe has an interesting combination of inputs for the driver. The gear change is heavy, the steering is light, and the suspension setup is quite stiff, meaning it's most fun to drive on smooth roads. That suspension setup translates to a hard ride on our crap Aussie road surfaces. There's also plenty of noise being transmitted into the cabin on coarser surfaces too. So overall, the new Z Coupe drives like we expect a Z car. It's no sit back and relax experience. It demands the driver's attention. It's right up in your face. So that means the new Z Coupe is not for everyone. It's not a sophisticate, it's not cutting edge, and it's not laden down with technology. It's just about the driving. If that sounds like you, check it out.